So it's me, part 2.
This is like the dining slash kitchen. So right
just
here,
doing my eyeliner,
have, like, bar stools, and
my
this
lower
is,
liner,
like,
my lashes,
have bar stools right here.
my
We're gonna have, like four bar stools
powder
maybe.
that I use around my face.
And then right here, we're not gonna actually do a huge dining table. We're gonna do like a little side table over here because it's just me and Kevin. And when we have guests over, we're just going to have them sit at the bar table, at the bar, or in the living room. So this is my favorite part of the apartment. This is the kitchen. Can we see, like, do we die? Do we die? Do we live or do we die?
We live.
This kitchen, this hood bitch of this, oh my god, it's so sickening. Like, they're going to install the microwave before we move. Our move-in date is this Thursday. They're gonna install it real fast. There's a couple things that they still need to install before our move-in date, but the microwave is one of them. I kind of like there not being a microwave here because I think I could put like a wine rack right here and then put all my wine because I am a wine mom, I must admit. And then maybe right here we could just do the microwave, like a stainless steel microwave. I don't know. One of my favorite things about this place is that, do you see that? Fucking, are you kidding me? Even the cabinets do it, look. Yes, one of them's not an easy close. Oh my god. Okay, so this one does it. Wait. This one does it. Does this one do it? Okay, there we go. Okay. Just that one. Thank you. Okay. Okay, there we go. This is the. Do you see that? An easy close. Okay, that was embarrassing. Anyways. So they're all like easy close type of drawers.
So I'm going to use Kiss Natural Flourish Blooming Lash. Flourishing layers of lashes. Multi-angle technology.
So now we're going into this little hallway.
They're cute. They're little
okay, so
layered
this is
lashes.
the entrance to my office slash makeup room slash filming room. So this is where I'm going to be filming. My stomach. So this is where I'm going to be filming and doing my makeup and shit like that. I'm definitely not doing backdrops anymore, I'm pretty sure. I don't know yet. But yeah, so this is the little filming room and then the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Super, super big. It's actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. More mirrored closets or whatever, but then it has a patio. I am kind of obsessed with the patio. Calm down. I am definitely obsessed with the patio. Like, can we just talk? This patio is everything. They still need to clean it up a little bit. They have that stuff for whatever reason. It's actually raining right now, but this is the patio. Real cute. So that is the patio. This is from a different angle of the master bedroom. And this place only has one bathroom, which I'm totally okay with. Like, I don't have an issue with. It's to our bathroom. And right here is going to be our washer and dryer. I don't know why they put it there, but whatever. They still have to install that. I think she said they're installing that tomorrow or Wednesday. And then they're also, because the mirrors are right there. That's the mirror that they still need to hang up. So those are being installed, I think, tomorrow or Wednesday as well. So the mirrors are obviously going to go right there. We have that, obviously. Toilet, obviously. They still need to clean up the floors a little bit.
Ooh,
and then they have to put a faucet on the bathtub still. But this is the bathroom. That's the cute little shower. The sinks. All that. These all do the little real cute, right cute. I have a woman here. Hi, Kevin. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. That is basically our apartment, our new apartment. We move in literally like, when do we move in? We technically move in like at the end of the month or next month, but like our move-in date is Thursday. But like our old place lease ends in the 28th of February, so like we're gonna stay there for a little bit and then come back and do everything like a little process. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little empty apartment tour. I love you guys, and we will check back with you. I don't know if we're gonna end the vlog here. Should we end the vlog here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. We're going to Disneyland, but I mean, what are you doing? Stop fucking around. I think. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go to Disneyland. I don't know if we should vlog that. I mean, this vlog is probably already long enough, so we're... Okay, so we're just gonna end the vlog. Alright, come here, Kevin. We're gonna end our first vlog together.
Bye guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a future video.
Bye guys, love you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our first ever vlog. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang, gang. Oh my god, why is this taking forever?
Put it more on you.
Hey y'all.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
I need to
welcome
fix
back.
this.
So this
There's
is
not enough
our second vlog.
room.
Just to explain why we didn't post last week, the vlog was freaking boring as shit. Just to be completely honest with you guys, it was a really boring vlog, and just editing it, I was falling asleep. It just wasn't a good vlog.
No.
It was not very coherent at all, and we didn't feel like posting the vlog because it was honestly going to be a shit post. This time, it's going to be a little bit more coherent. Just to catch you guys up with what's going on, we signed a lease. We have started to furnish the apartment a little bit. We still live in our old house, but for right now, we're just kind of like going back and forth to this place and to our old place. We're just going back and forth simply because we're just like trying to make it a smooth transition, like a smooth move in. What else? So we started to furnish it. We had the living room kind of furnished. We bought a lot of furniture we went to IKEA. I'll insert clips of when we went to IKEA. We went to Target, insert clips of that.
I want your disease. I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Your love, love, love. I want your love. Drooling on himself. Drooling on himself. He became a target. You know that I want you. You know that I need you. I want a man, your man, romance. Sing it. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. Oh. This bitch can't find a bow. Oh, scared me. What the fuck is that?
Oh man.
What are you doing? Stop. How did you slide on yourself like that? I want your love and all your love is revenge. You and me.
Why is he in a cage?
It's a daddy dog, it's a daddy long leg. for?
I know that's a party.
I'm a little concerned.
My friends Zach and Kenny are currently moving into their place. It's so crazy.
That was hilarious.
We moved in 2 weeks ago, and then they're moved in today, the 22nd, which is really cool. Their place is gorgeous. I'm so proud of them. Literally, two of the hardest working people I know, and they deserve so much recognition, so much more respect than they're given. And that's just the tea. So I'm just really excited for them. I'm going to help them move in. Me and Kevin are going to help them move in today. We're all going to IKEA today, so I'll try to vlog that as well. What else? I'm posting a video today on my main channel. It's a first impressions video, which I do not know if I'm going to be able to post it on time, because I don't have Wi-Fi in my new place, and I'm probably gonna have to use Zach and Kenny's new Wi-Fi in their new place. So yeah, and I have not edited the thumbnail yet or done the description. So yeah.
We're here at IKEA. It's Thomas, and we're with Zachary and Kenny, and they're also vlogging.
Also, okay, so you're taking a picture of what you want. Go to the section.
Or you can write down.
Just take a damn picture of what you want and let's keep
Because you about to wrap me up.
That's all you gotta do is take a picture of what you want and you can prove that.
This is basement. Please don't.
A black one like this one in the bag.
Yeah.
Please don't this. Please don't
It's comfortable. Is it comfortable? Let's actually test it out. Is it comfortable? These nice pictures.
I want that right picture.
So cute.
Is it comfortable? Is it comfortable? Is it comfortable? That's what you
You want a man on this.
It's
I will place out my
so it's comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh.
The couch will cover.
And my table.
Is that that good?
I thought it was 300. I know, I think the white one's 300.
My friends are always more expensive.
See wild Thomas. Doing his mating call.
I'm using the Falsies push-up drama.
How many hours has it been? 3 hours?
It's been 3 hours.
We're all tired.
We are exhausted.
It's not autofocusing.
It's some manual focus. Oh my god, look where my makeup dropped off. It's been a long day.
What did you do?
Bye, bitch.
Alright, so we're leaving IKEA, and Thomas and I didn't get anything. Just kidding.
Oh my god, my mouth looks so red compared to my foundation.
Alright, so we are finally home. It's been such a long day. We're at IKEA for like 4 hours, and then Target for another hour, huh?
Yeah. We basically, okay, so what the deal is, basically we are moved in here. We signed the lease, but we're not moving in here, like me and Kevin are not officially moving in here until literally the end of February.